Guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Capricorn for the month of October. It is going to be a general love reading, specifically a love reading. So if you are here for general career and finance related readings, this is not for you. It's just a love reading and a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Pooja from India, and I'm a psychic and intuitive tarot reader. I have my Instagram and Facebook pages. I also do personal readings. I have mentioned my WhatsApp number in the description box, so if you want to get your readings done, you can always ping me up on my WhatsApp. They are paid readings, of course. They are not free readings. I do not provide free readings rather than these YouTube videos. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, please consider liking this video and subscribing my channel, so that you get such daily readings over here. And yeah, let's start. Let's see what's happening for Capricorns in the month of October. Let's see in the love life, how is the person gonna feel, how are they gonna feel. You can always switch the roles, okay? If I'm reading for you all, you can switch the roles however you want. So let's see what's happening for Capricorns in their love life in the month of October. What's happening for Capricorns in the month of October? The first card we have is the King of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles, all about money. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. This might be your energy. Okay, Four of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag, fire sign. What do we have? Okay, the Empress, Taurus energy. Another earth sign, Knight of Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarian energy. What I see from these cards is you are wanting to move to a more stable, committed and solid relationships now. You're not in a mood of playing around, having casual dating, casual relationships. You're done with people who are always on and off of your life. You don't want to date someone who is unsure of their feelings. You don't want to date someone who is not sure about what they really want in the future with you. You want a stable, committed and solid relationship, Capricorn. Okay, your focus is shifting from casual dating to more sustained relationships. This is the Six of Cups, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. What more do we have? Ten of Swords, Aries, Leo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, another air sign. Yeah, and I'm seeing there is a painful ending and a new brand beginning. The Fool. You're not interested in someone who is not sure about you. Yeah, this is the Aries energy. So what I'm seeing here is, as I told you, Capricorns, you're not into a mood of a casual relationship. You want a full-fledged, solid relationship. You want to take your relationship to the next level. You might be dealing with another air sign, fire sign. I don't see, yeah, I can see water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces here with the Six of Cups. So what I see here is you are gravitated to a more sustained relationship now. Okay, maybe you had a very rough experience in past with maybe an old person, but you are not in a mood to take any more casual relationships. You want a more sustained relationship now, and you're coming into your power. Okay, you know that you are someone who can give a lot of love to the other person. You can't be the one who is being played with, or someone uses you for just passing their time. You are not ready for a casual dating now. You want a fully sustained relationship, full-fledged relationship, and that's what's gonna happen. I think you're gonna find someone, or someone is going to offer you. You're going to receive a cup of love from someone, maybe a very stable offer. Many of you are considering marriage with this person. Maybe you will get a love offer from someone who will directly ask you out for marriage. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is basically the theme is you want a more sustained relationship now. You're not wanting someone who just comes out and in and out of your life. It just hurts your soul. You are in a mood to give a more solid commitment to someone, yeah, and that is what you're going to receive in the month of October, a very solid commitment. You're being closed off to people who are sneaky, whom you don't align perfectly, like emotionally, okay. I'm also seeing you were dealing with someone who was elder to you, okay. It might be someone elder to you who was very in and out of your life, okay, or maybe you were in and out of their life, and things are gonna end with them now. You're not gonna date them anymore because you saw their true colors. Maybe they were just fooling around, okay, and they were not giving you any sort of commitment or any sort of clarity. I'm also seeing you being more focused on yourself, your needs, your finances, your career, your study, whatever you're doing. You want everything to fall into place now. You're done wasting your time on people and on situations that are no longer serving you. You had your lessons and you had them really hard, and you don't want to again fall for anyone that are not good for you, okay. In the long run, I'm seeing you starting something very new, fresh new beginning with something or someone that is quite sustaining, okay. So beautiful energy down there, Capricorn, okay. I'm also seeing you being ready to take that leap of faith, but only if you're sure if the person is going to be with you on the other end, okay. So I hope you got what I'm trying to say. I'm also seeing you connecting to people around you, with friends, with family. You will meet someone from your like your old friend whom you were not talking from a very long time. You disconnected from them and you're again gonna meet them, and things are going to turn into a more professional relationship in the future. Maybe you're going to start a business with this person, with this friend of yours. A lot of business meetings. Finance is looking really good, okay, Capricorn. Money is looking really good. You're going to get financial stability. You're going to feel you're getting enough of what you really want, okay. So that's what I'm seeing. You're standing up for yourself, Capricorn. You're being very you're prioritizing your needs. For sure, you're prioritizing what you really want. Let's see what comes from the oracles. What's happening for Capricorn? Okay. The first is just breathe. I told you, you want some time by yourself now. You want to breathe. You want to be calm, and you don't want to be overwhelmed and surrounded by people who give you stress or situations that doesn't bring you to a calmer state of mind. So you just want to breathe. It's an advice for you. Just breathe. Don't rush. Everything is just going to fall into place. You just have to breathe, okay. Take a breather, Capricorn. You're expecting too much. Don't do that, okay. What more do we have? You're doing too much. You will overdo some things in your life, and which is going to exhaust you in the future. What more do we have? Yeah, take the lead. You are taking control of your life. Universe and spirit guides and angels are guiding you to take lead in whatsoever situation it is. Maybe it may be your love life, your financial condition, your business, your job, whatever it is. Take the lead. Don't sit on the back seat. Take the charge and take the charge in your hands and just drive it, okay. Drive through it. Take the lead in anything and everything that needs your attention, okay. Don't let anyone drive your car, okay. What more do we have? See, I told you, you're healing from something that really broke your heart. You need healing, Capricorn, okay. This is the period of healing for you, okay. Some things are ending for your good, okay. Every ending is not a bad one. You need healing right now, Capricorn. Just heal yourself. Do anything and everything to do that, but please heal. What more do we have from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle? One more, please. For Capricorns, what messages do we have for Capricorns? What messages do we have for Capricorns? Capricorn, you need to pray more, okay? Just connect to the divine powers and pray more, okay? Your prayers will be answered. Maybe you are praying a lot in the month of October. You are connecting spiritually, you are enlightened right now, okay? In the month of October, you will be enlightened, and just pray more and your prayers are going to be answered. The next card we have is acceptance. You need to accept yourself first. Accept who you are, how you are, what you need, what you love. Self-love, self-worth is the first step of acceptance, okay? And accept that whatever has happened in your life or till now, it is the result of your own decisions. Do not blame it on others, okay? Everything was in your hands, but you took that decision, and whatever you're facing right now is because it is your karma, or maybe it was your bad decision, okay? If it is a bad situation. What more do we have? See, mysticism. You're going to be attracted to mysticism, or maybe someone in your life is being very sneaky, okay? And I would really advise you not to get attracted or fantasized about such people, because what they bring is stress, okay? People who are not open and like right there and then in front of you, they have their hidden agendas to stress you out. Please don't indulge into such connections, okay? Just be very open to everything around you, and deal with people who are open to you. Don't let anyone tamper your sense of well-being and sense of like peace of mind. You're getting right? Capricorn, it's time to heal, okay? Just let go of anything and everything that's hurting your inner peace, okay? What's happening for Capricorns, please? What messages do we have? These are my handwritten messages. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, the first we have is intuition. I told you, your intuition is going to be way more higher these days, so use your intuition wisely. What more do we have? Something your intuition is telling you, do that, okay? Do not ignore it. Capricorns, long distance relationship. Maybe you will be dealing with someone like you will be into a long distance relationship, or you are dealing with someone that is a long distance relationship. What more do we have? Okay, your person or your initials might start with these alphabets: C, J, K, N, R, T, V, Y, E, G. What more do we have? If you haven't seen them properly, please pause the video and take a look. Socialize. Maybe you need to socialize more, or you will be socializing more in the month of October. I told you, with this 3 of Pentacles, I told you you're going to socialize a bit more than usual. One more message, please. Okay. The last message we have is blindfold. It's time to release everything that keeps you in this blindfolded energy, okay? Take off your blindfolds and see the reality, okay? It might hurt you in the short period of time, but it will keep you or prevent you from being hurt into a long term, long period of time, okay? So that's it for Capricorn. Please don't mind the noise behind me. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.